So to do that, I'll click on the start button. Then I'll go down, right click on the start button, I click on programs and features. We need to install SNMP on our Windows machine. So I'll click on Windows features on or off, turn on Windows features on or off. Wait for it to load. Then I'll look for SNMP. It's here, it wasn't installed, so I click here and the system is installing it. After the installation, we'll go to services and configure it, and we'll give it a public, we'll give the community string as public, and we'll give it access, full access, so that we can access and use it for what we want to do. So we're installing SNMP for Windows. So it's fully installed now. So what we're going to do now will be to close this and go to services so as to configure it. So services.msc, I will open this and I'll look for SNMP services. Right click on it, go to the properties, go to security, and configure the public, the community string name for it. So I'm scrolling down to look for it. SNMP is services is here, so I'll right click on it, then I'll click on properties, I'll go to security, and I'll add a community name of public. I see read only is shown here. Then I'll tell it to allow SNMP packet from any host. So I click apply on OK. Our SNMP is configured for the Windows Pro machine and